What's up, everybody? This is Bo here with the Texas Trader. I'm gonna make a quick little video showing you guys what I'm talking about when I say a stock goes full circle. So basically, it's my process. I'm looking for first green day bounce setups, right? The run up, the pullback, the bounce, right? The first green day bounce you see here on GAME, and then when I would say full circle, I'm looking for that multi-day breakout, right? So we've got the run up, this high right here, $2.87. This high at the run up is going to be the breakout level or the multi-day breakout level on the daily chart. If you go to into an intraday chart, you may, yeah, this is 287. This high is 287. But let's go to another one like I think BTCS today. Where's BTCS at? Here it is, BTCS. So same thing here on BTCS. We got the run up. We've got this high here, which is $6.19. Then we got the pullback. We've got your first green day bounce right here. It starts bouncing, right? You could sell into that. You could use this low and continue to basically turn this into a swing trade. And you're using this low on the day it bounced as your support level or your risk level. And then it comes all the way up to the multi-day breakout level and breaks out, right? That's when I say full circle, that's what I mean. We're running up, pulling back, bouncing, and then we're breaking that high, right? So you got your run up, you pull back, first green day bounce, or your number 5 dip buy if you're going off of Sykes's 7-step framework. And then it runs up and we break this high. I call this a multi-day breakout. So we're breaking that high. This is a setup out of Tim Grittani's Trading Tickers, I believe his first DVD. I don't think I've seen his second one, but Trading Tickers 1 is his multi-day breakout setup. I think this is like his only long setup in that DVD. So that's where I took this from, is Tim Grittani multi-day breakout. And this is all part of the 7-step framework from Tim Sykes, right? The run up, your supernova, you've got the number 4, the pullback, and then you got the number 5, the dip, 6, it comes up bouncing, and then we get a whole nother, basically number 3 here, right? We're starting a supernova again, so this would be a number 3. So pretty soon you're going to get that number 4. It's going to pull back, right? You're going to get that short entry up here. Do we get another bounce? Who knows? You know what I mean? We just got to wait and watch for this, watch the price action, see what this thing's doing. So, like I said, that's full circle. There's plenty, like, let's see what Wolf's doing. So Wolf, run up, pull back, got your first green day bounce. I don't know why my computer's lagging here. And then, I mean, it's holding up down here. We'll just see if it can make its way back up here to the multi-day breakout. This one's a higher float, so maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Let's see, YHC, here's another one, YHC. Like I said, there's examples of these all day long. Run up, pull back, first green day bounce, multi-day breakout. See that? Here's one I'm buying today, first green day bounce. SQNS. Jumped in a little early. I should have been adding here on this higher low right here in the 1 minute. I'm kind of just being a little patient, watching this 15-minute. Come on. Watching this 15-minute. You see we got a nice hammer candle right here on the 15. So, but let's go back to the multi-day and the whole process, right? You got the run up. Here's your high, 583. So you look on the intraday chart and you see pre-market high 620. So I still consider this 583 as a multi-day breakout level, right? I'm looking for that to break. Then I just know that 620 could possibly be another resistance level. So this 583 is going to be a resistance level. This $6.20 is going to be a resistance level. But again, we've got the run up, the pullback, first green day bounce play, and now I'm looking for this to possibly run up for a multi-day breakout, right? That's all I look for over and over and over and over. BMNR, let's see this one, BMNR. Same thing, pullback, we're going. I don't really trust this one as much, but I like the ones that look more like YHC, where you got the run up, the short pullback, and then you're almost immediately bouncing. I mean, we could have another red candle or two here, and that'd be all right with me too, but the ones that kind of pull back and consolidate right there, those are a little harder for me to play. So if you go over here on BMNR back here on the big run, you can see we kind of do the same thing. Run up. Here's your multi-day breakout level. Pulled back, bounced, broke out. Right? I'm sure you guys see this all the time. I just don't know if you guys are paying attention to it, right? So this is all I focus on, all I pay attention to. So we got PROK as another possible first green day bounce. And this one's one of those that's a little trickier to play in my opinion, but BTOG is another one I've got my eye on. So look at this, run up, pull back, right? 1, 2, pull back. Got the first green day bounce, multi-day breakout, higher. So I'm kind of looking for the same thing. The same thing here. Run up, pull back, first green day bounce, multi-day breakout, run up, pull back, first green day bounce, multi-day breakout. Now the more this keeps happening, the less likely they are to continue going higher, but if you can catch this first one, depending on the hype and the news, there's a good chance that this could possibly hit that multi-day breakout level and break out, continue to run like BTOG did. BTCM, let me see if there are any. Just trying to think of some more that have played out here recently. Yeah, that's all I can think of at the moment. I know there's probably some more somewhere. So that's kind of it, I guess, on these setups. I'm just I'll try to find more and post as many as I can. Like I said, this happens over and over. This is a repeated pattern that you see all the time. Now, do they all go up and break out like GAME? And I don't even know if GAME hadn't even broke out yet, but like BTCS. So BTCS. So keep an eye on GAME actually. See if this thing breaks out. We got 287. We hit 280. 282 is the high today. So like I said, that's why I like to start selling into this multi-day breakout area, because if it fails and doesn't break out, well, there's no point of continuing to hold shares, right? You don't want to be giving back profits. But if it does break out and keeps going, I mean, if you're holding a few shares left from way down here, I mean, you still made it way like a bandit, right? Great profits. So starting to get a little top wick. I probably should have pulled some off. I like to try to, like I said, this is a first green day bounce setup for me. This $4.72, this yellow line, is yesterday's close or the previous day close. So realistically, I like to let these try to go green, right? Or at least test that previous day close level, and then I like to kind of start taking, because that should be a resistance probably. So I like to start taking shares off into that. If it's really strong, I'll let it break and then start taking shares off. And then my next level would be the previous day high, right? So it's 550. And then the multi-day breakout level is my next price target. And then I just look to sell the rest. If I'm holding shares still, I look to sell the rest into that, the strength of the breakout. And that's the whole move for the first green day bounce, basically. Now that's ideal. That is ideal. Do they all go up and break this multi-day breakout level? No. Actually, kind of depends on the market even. So if you're in a hot market, it's more likely. If you're in a hot sector, it's more likely to happen. Slower markets, stocks with just kind of fluff news, those are less likely to go up and break this multi-day breakout off the bounce. So that's my patterns. That's what I'm looking at. So BTBT, same thing. I just didn't play this one. It's a higher float. But exact same thing, right? Run up, pull back, first green day bounce. Looking for that multi-day breakout. High of 430 here. We'll set an alert. Let's see if we can do it. Damn computer. So, set an alert there and see. I'm going to set an alert here at 583. I'll be watching this one though. I'm in this at 380 basically. Anytime I start recording my damn computer, I'm going to have to figure out how to fix that. So that's it. That's my process. BRNS. Is this at all-time highs? No, but $5 is all-time high. Huh. News. I don't see any news. Interesting. I may put this BRNS on my watch list. So, all right, guys, that's it. But just kind of look for that. These run-ups, pullbacks, first green day bounce, spike into the resistance level, the multi-day breakout level. That's basically all I'm ever looking for. That's it, pretty much, as far as charts go. So keep an eye on that. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment if you do, and I'll be happy to answer. So that's it for today. I'm out, guys.